Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Today, I'm going to be showing you some tricks on Instagram. People seem to really like the Instagram bio tricks and how you can add in multiple returns on an Instagram bio. There's been an update to that. You can add in some more stuff like hashtags and usernames. So let's go ahead and hop on my phone, take a look at these updates, and give a quick tutorial on how to do it.
Okay, so here we are on Instagram. And like I said, you can now add hashtags and usernames to your Instagram bio, and they've also made the bio easier to update. So what you want to do is go to your profile screen, which is in the tab bar in the bottom right. And then you want to tap on Edit Profile towards the top right of the screen. And then you want to tap on Bio. And if you remember previously when you tapped on Bio, you would edit it right within this little block on this screen right here. But now they've made it like a full screen experience, so it pushes to a new screen, which is Bio. And I'm currently using an iPhone 7 Plus, so the keyboard might be a little bit different for Android devices. But if you tap the numbers in the bottom left, then we'll get the return option. And we can hit return and add something on this line. We were unable to do that before, which is where you would have to use a Notes app or something like that to add in the returns. And then you could paste that into your Instagram. But like I said, we can add returns now if you want to do that. And we can also add in hashtags. So I'm going to say tag your story with hashtag otherpath. I'm going to hit done. And then I'm going to hit done again. And we can see now on my screen that it says hashtag otherpath there in the bio. And that's like a blue color now, that's like the link color. So if we tap on that, it's gonna take us straight to the otherpath hashtag. Now let me go back. I'm gonna tap edit profile again, tap on bio, and then let's just add a return. Let's add an emoji here. Probably gonna take this out later, but we'll just say founder at ANDYPNGR. And this is my main Instagram account if you want to follow me there. And then I'm going to hit done in the top right, done again. And we can see that there I've added in the link for my username. So we can tap on that and it will go directly to my profile. Now this is all completely new to Instagram. Previously these links didn't work, like you could put the @ symbol and the hashtags and they wouldn't be linkable. You couldn't tap on that and go directly to it. Now I'm like 99% sure a normal link doesn't work, but let's go ahead and try it. And I'm just gonna put the link for the Tap Lab YouTube channel. Yep, and that link doesn't work. Let's try and put this in front of it. Yep, and that still doesn't highlight there, so you can't add links in. So we still only have the one dedicated spot, which is right here, for a website link or a traditional URL. But it is nice that we can now add in these hashtag and username links. So you can use this to your advantage if you have personal brand or a feature account. You could sort of make up your own hashtag. Like for this brand, Otherpath, I just use the hashtag Otherpath. But if you have like your own hashtag or your own motto, you could sort of turn that into a hashtag and start to familiarize people with it. And then the hashtag starts to become popular, starts to become a thing that people use. And you can help grow your brand that way. And it's also useful on feature accounts like this if you want to link your personal brand, like I did with my personal account here. So then anyone that follows your feature account, they can see, okay, who's making this, and go straight to your profile. Or if you have a brand that has a team of people, or if you want to feature your friends in your Instagram bio, you can just add everyone in there and link them up now. So I really like this feature. I think it's pretty useful. And I'm excited to dive into it a little bit, see what all the use cases are. And overall, this is a great feature. This is a great addition by Instagram.
And there you have it, how to add hashtags and usernames into your Instagram bio and how you can use those to your advantage. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I will try and answer those. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, tech, social media, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.